Today we're at the Port Coquitlam car show. I've been told there's over 800 cars and we're about to find out. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're in beautiful Port Coquitlam and there is a beautiful car show here. Now I've been told there's over 800 cars. We're gonna go check them out and find out. Unfortunately, it is not the nicest day. We've got the smoke come in, so we'll make do with it. And you know, my heart goes out to all the communities that are fighting with this, and definitely appreciation to all the firefighters. So anyhow, but let's get cruising here and let's see what we can find at today's show.
It's another restless night. I can't stop dreaming of you. Always got me in a spin. Yeah, you never make me blue. Thinking about the way you walk, to the way you call my name. Another restless night, any other one to blame. It always makes me sad to say goodbye at the end of the night. You'll be on my mind way past the morning light. That's alright.
This is one of the reasons why I got into the classic cars. The beautiful 1966 original Mustang.
Restless night, another caused by you. It always makes me sad to say goodbye at the end of the night. But you'll be on my mind way past the morning light.
I recognize this girl.
Alright, another restless night. Just dreaming about those things you do. Oh,
and now for something completely different.
Caused by you. You're the only one to ever make me feel this right. I wanna wrap my arms around you. Oh, baby, you know just what I like. Another restless night, just dreaming about those things you do. Another restless night, another caused by you. Another restless night, another caused by you.
The plexi was purple when I bought the car, and it had shaded plexi over the headlights.
Okay, yeah.
In, and it looked kind of like the Batmobile. It's what turned me on about the car.
Nice.
10 years of driving it in the city, and one policeman in the whole city decided that he didn't like the color of my taillights and made me change it to red. Made me go through inspection and spend the money.
Yeah.
And then a few years later, I was sitting on Broadway at a red light, and somebody hit me.
Oh no!
Doing about 40 miles an hour. I drove away because my car's made of steel.
That's
his
right.
Car
Destroyed
was in a million pieces on the road.
That's right.
I don't think I'll ever own an Audi.
They changed it to a Night Rider, but that was my first car, an '89 Firebird, but in white. My favorite part of it was these, the flip-up headlights. How cool was that? And the second feature that I'll take it back. This is my first feature, the taillights is the first one, is the beautiful T-tops. Just incredible. Better yet, the Army is here. Huge respect for these vehicles and the stories that these vehicles tell and where they're in, and for the individuals that did the sacrifice to that. Thank you. Thank you. And here we are in Mustang Alley. This is incredible. There's so many Mustangs here. Oh my goodness. And they are definitely a beaut. My goodness. Well, I would say that's maybe part 1 of 5. Let's keep going. There is so many around here, so let's keep going. Looks like the bands are getting ready too, so this is an awesome show, man. But well, I heard one story I totally missed out. They apparently had a cruise last night, and oh, it was a burnout fest. So next year, mark it in the calendar, I'll be there.
Shake, shake, rock and roll. Shake, shake, rock and roll. Shake, shake, rock and roll.
Beautiful 2020 Bullet. Love it. Other than the original, this is my second choice. Incredible.
Not know a girl sweet as can be. She likes to rock and roll with me. She shakes to the left, shakes to the right. She tells me that we're alright. She says, hey baby, let the good times roll. Shake, shake, rock and roll. Shake, shake, rock and roll.
I found the lost pony, and here she is.
We're dancing to the morning sun. I don't do the mashed potato.
Yeah, 1965 Pontiac Tempest. Good buddy of John Mitchell's. Beautiful, and of course, he took a prize. Take a look.
So stack up the band. I'm not gonna stand when I hit the drums hit. Shake, shake, rock and roll. Shake, shake, rock and roll. Light it up and have some fun. Dancing to the morning sun.
I've got a few friends that give that expression that do that when I drive. So
For me, baby. Shake for me, baby. Shake for me, baby. Sing it around, dance to the morning sun. Pop, 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 baby, baby. Pop, baby, baby. Shake for me, baby. Let's have some fun, dancing to the morning sun. Shake, shake, rock and roll.
beautiful Trans Am.
Shake, shake, rock and roll. Shake, shake, rock and roll. Let's have some fun. Dance to the morning sun.
So I'm here with Brad, and he's going to tell us a story about this nice, fine ride.
I started building this car in 2019 for a customer. He's had it since he was 16 years old. Started off with an Art Morrison chassis and went with this wide body look. So we widened the front end 14 inches, made our own rack and pinion, put the Coyote in it with a 6-speed. It's got a Ford 9-inch. All just tons of fabrication. Everything's raw as anything, just fun to drive and goes like hell.
Yeah, exactly. That looks really cool.
Thanks,
Very
man.
cool.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here, my guess. 67 GT? And I was right, 67. I'm getting into my cars. This is awesome. I feel good.
With your heart, you'll be my one love. One love, baby. We're together. United, baby. Under one roof. In the house.
Good old Corvette Stingrays.
God, I need your medication for my soul.
With the T-tops too. I know this ride. Good old friend.
Messing wrong with your heart. You'll be my one and only love. One love, baby.
The true and the real hot rods.
Girl, I need a medication for my soul.
guys know I love my Belairs, and here we go.
Give it to me, girl, gonna be alright. If you say it's okay, gonna stay all night.
Give me that loving, baby, and stay all night.
Give it to me, girl, gonna be alright. If you say it's okay, gonna stay
You
all
got
night.
to stay with me, baby. Stay.
Give it to me, girl, gonna be alright. If you say it's okay, gonna stay all night.
Don't leave.
So that's it, guys. That's the Port Coquitlam Car Show. Yeah, I think I heard about 600 cars today. Pretty cool. We got some live bands in there. Kiss showed up for some reason, so they definitely rocked it, smashed the guitar. You gotta love it. And yeah, lots of great people. Saw saw John from the Rhode Iron Club, which was always a treat to get to chat with him, share his experience. The Mustang group was here, BC Mustang Club. Yeah, you name it. There was a lot of people, a lot of great conversations, great stories, and of course, Stacy got to meet a lot of people too. So got the picture taken, love it. So, anyways, you guys haven't done already, like, subscribe. It's quite a journey. Been doing it for 6 months, and it keeps getting better and better. So, check it out, and we'll check you on the next one, guys. So. That's awesome. Bye, Moose.